Hello everyone, thank you back to our channel New York Brothers. Joshua and Jess came to the Smithsonian Natural Museum of Natural History in Washington DC today. We are so excited to be here. Let's dive in. The historic 11-ton, 13-foot tall elephant has been on display since 1959. It's more often called by its affectionate nickname Haley. From the beginning of life, the new 31,000 square feet fossil hall invites you to explore the story of how Earth's distant past is connected to the present and informs our future. Compare and contrast the skeletons of a flying fish, a massive snake, and many more vertebrates. We can learn skeleton tell us about how different animals live. 알았어. 오케이. This exhibition includes 30 human and 16 animal mummies, as well as pottery vessels, jewelry, tools, and other artifacts excavated from Egyptian tombs. Ancient Egyptians believed death marked the beginning of a journey to eternal life. In this exhibit, you can explore modern Angola's fossil field cliff, learn about the evolutionary, geological, and environmental forces that shape life in the ocean then and now. Explore the scientific evidence of human origin of over the 6 million years and traces how we evolved the unique traits that distinguish our species.
Is it expensive?
A world-famous 45.5-carat blue diamond donated to the Smithsonian by Harry Winston in 1958 and seen by more than 100 million people since then. Inside this 20,000 square feet exhibition, you can explore from the center of the Earth to the vast reaches of the solar system, rocks and minerals, and very foundation of our planet. These animals pose from floor to the ceiling, many of which you can't see anywhere else, highlight the incredible variety of mammal family. Learn about the diversity of bees, flies, and other insects. This 23,000 square feet exhibition takes you from the shore and shallow all the way down to the ocean floor. Travel through time from the origin of the ocean 3.8 billion years ago to the challenges and opportunities the ocean presents today. This female giant squid is almost 36 feet long and may have weighed nearly a ton. This museum is unbelievable good and I'm surprised it's free. I'm so glad I had a good time with Joshua and Jess here today. If you have a chance to visit Washington DC, I highly recommend you should visit this museum. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.